Welcome back, everyone, and happy Monday. We are looking at a pretty nice day today, coming later on in a few hours. The sun is just now beginning to come up. We are about an hour away from the official sunrise, so it's been getting pretty dark or darker earlier in the mornings. Starting off at 34 degrees in Great Falls and in the capital city at freezing at 32 degrees, and you can see a little bit more sunshine in the capital city as well. Now, a couple of other areas are at or just around the freezing point. This is now saying 32 degrees in Great Falls, so depending on where you are around town could be a little bit different, but for the most part, it's a chilly start to the day. 30s, 20s, even teens on the map this morning, so it is kind of a cold start this morning. However, later on today, we are going to get more of those fall temperatures in the mid 40s and low 50s. So this is what's driving our weather here for the next week. This cutoff low, this low pressure trough over the western United States, that is really going to be parked on the western United States here for the next couple of days. So that is going to be affecting our weather here in the next few days, kind of off to our south right now. And we didn't really get much of the snow that came through yesterday in other areas of the country because that low was a little bit too far south. So we didn't really get any bad weather yesterday. Sunday was a nice day for most of Montana. We got some sunshine and it was a brisk day. We got some nice fall weather yesterday. We are looking at more rain and snow coming later on this week, but today we should be pretty nice for this Monday. So off to our south and our east, though, you can see a lot of moisture through the Midwest and through the plains, even some snow in Wyoming. So other areas did get a little bit of that rain and snow system that came through, but in Montana, we are pretty clear right now. There's a little bit of rain just northeast of Lewistown, but for the most part, today is going to be a pretty beautiful day in Montana. Now, one area of the state that did kind of get hit by that winter weather is southeastern Montana. This area is still under a winter weather advisory until tomorrow morning. So this area is potentially going to get up to 2 inches more of wet snow. This area was pretty close to the snow that kind of moved through Wyoming, so that area got a little bit of it as well. For today, as I mentioned earlier, we are going to get temperatures in the mid 40s and low 50s, 51 for the high in Great Falls and the capital city. So can't really complain about sunny skies and temperatures in the 50s. And we are looking at a little bit of rain and a little bit of snow in the higher elevations. However, for the lower elevations, we should stay dry, and we're going to get a little bit of sunshine this afternoon as well. But you can see starting late tonight, early tomorrow, this moisture that's off to our west, that will start moving into Montana starting tomorrow. So while there will be a little bit of high elevation snow today, we're looking at a generally clear day. Now here is a little bit further look through the week. You can see that moisture off to our west moving into Montana tomorrow. We're going to get low elevation snow Tuesday and Wednesday, kind of tapering off by Thursday, but still a little bit of a chance on Thursday as well that we'll be seeing a little bit more snow. So here's the 7-day forecast now. Now we are looking at rain and snow this week, but the weekend is going to be pretty nice. Can't complain about upper 50s in October and sunshine. But before that, we have another taste of winter. We've kind of been going back and forth on the wintry weather and fall weather. I know a lot of people would prefer that fall stick around a little bit longer, but
you know, as long as there's a mix, like if it's solid winter, that's one thing, but we'll take a little. 50s aren't so bad,
yeah,
right?
Sunshine,
sunshine,
it's nice.
Yeah, you've delivered, Katie. Thanks.